Hey guys, it's Ed Trip here with Trip Talk, and today I'm just going to keep it real, keep it simple. I'm here to talk about the average working man or woman versus having an LLC because most people don't know the difference. And it's important to know the difference. Some might know the difference. If you do know the difference, I actually encourage you to watch. Also, you can always learn something new. And also, if you do know the difference, I welcome all your comments, likes, whatever the case may be, because I would love to discuss things further with you as well and also learn some things from you guys as well. But getting into it, most people don't know this, but the average working, anybody that's working, even myself right now, I have a job, right? So anybody that's working, this is how the tax plan goes. You work, you get paid, you get taxed, and then you spend what's left, right? But then if you switch over to the LLC, here's how the LLC works. LLC is a limited liability company. A business, your name is not tied to it or anything like that. It's strictly an entity, right? And so an LLC, how that works is, okay, you work, you have business, you get paid, you have expenses, and then you get taxed on what is left, on whatever is left. And so essentially you never really pay taxes until you sell the business. And when you sell the business, obviously you're selling it for more than what you paid for it. So the taxes don't really matter anyway, really. And so it pays to have an LLC. It's smart to have an LLC. It's smart to even want to have an LLC if you don't have one right now. You know what I mean? Like I said, I still have a job and everything like that, but if you don't have an LLC, it's okay. You should be working towards one because why wouldn't you want to do that? You get more time off, you have more freedom, and not only that, you make the taxes work in your favor. Donald Trump, the biggest businessman of them all, there's a reason why he didn't want to show his tax returns is because he really don't pay taxes, right? He has a lot of LLCs, he has a lot of businesses and everything like that. Guys like Trump, they don't pay taxes because they know the ins and outs and they know the smarts of how to get by in corporate America and how to get by in America, period. And so it pays to have an LLC. It pays to research, do your own research. Don't just listen to me, but do your own research about this type of stuff. And understand that America is not set up for the American worker. America is not set up to give prosperity to the average working American. It may seem like that, but here's another funny thing. A lot of people want to get to the higher paying job, and everything like that. But here's the thing: the more you make, the more they take, right? And so it's just like you try to go in this bubble and everything like that, but then you get into a different tax bracket. I've actually experienced that, where you go from one tax bracket and you're not making nothing, and then you're making all this money, but you're in a different tax bracket. So it's like you're really not making nothing still. And so you got to do the research. You got to do the research. It pays to have an LLC because what happens is you get paid, you have your expenses that come next. And keep in mind, a trip to Hawaii could be a business trip, an expense, right? And so you gotta work the system and not let the system work you. And that's other videos that I can make for other times. Just make sure y'all stay tuned. But today, what I wanted to talk about is that the average working man or woman, the system is not set up for you to succeed, not at all. And always keep this in mind too. There's no security in any job. You can lose your job for whatever reason. A lot of people lost their job in this COVID thing and didn't even do anything. They like, I lost my job and I didn't do anything. Yeah, times are tough. That's how it is when you have a job. And so if you don't have an LLC, it pays to try to get one. You got to get one. You got to do the research. You got to go out there and take those steps to put yourself on the right path, because you got to look out for yourself at the end of the day, because that's what everybody else is doing. Now, I say look out for yourself. I don't mean be selfish, because I could just take this information and chill where I'm at and just do my thing. But you got to find ways to give back as well. You can't just be about you and you all the time. You got to find ways to give back. But today, if nobody else gets anything, I want you to know, and I want you to get that it pays to have an LLC. It pays to research about it. It pays to work towards getting one, because then you can take initiative, and you can take advantage of the system and not have the system take advantage of you. We got to take advantage of the system. We got to work the system and not let the system work us. And so LLC, remember this as I close. You and I, the person that have the job, we get paid, we get taxed, and then we spend whatever's left. But when you have an LLC, you get paid, you have expenses, and expenses can be a very broad term, and then you get taxed on what is left. So the smart person, why would I leave anything left to tax? I mean, that's just common sense. You know what I mean. And so it pays to have an LLC. Definitely stay tuned. Go watch some of my other videos too, because you can learn some things in there as well. One video is, this is why I don't save money. It's smart not to save money. Everybody say save money, save money. Well, why would I save the money if the dollar is continuously losing value every single day? Why would I save money? Why would I save money? It's losing value. It's like a stock that's just never endingly going down until it crashes. Why would you save money? And so definitely watch some other videos. If you enjoyed this video, definitely click the like button down below. If you have any criticism, if you have anything you want to add, if you have anything you want to share about this video, definitely do so in the comment section down below. And man, just stay tuned. What I'm trying to do here, Trip Talk provides knowledge and entertainment for growth and happiness. So we're gonna have some entertainment type of thing, highlight videos, vlogs, and everything like that. But we're also gonna try to speak some knowledge, man, speak some truth, because people out there need to hear this type of stuff. Yeah, you might have a job, and here's another video for another day as well. Yeah, you might have a job, but go to work to learn. Don't go to work for the money. And here's why I say that. Because you want to take what you learn at work and everything like that, and you want to go out and apply it to yourself and your LLC one day, so you can have the good life, right? And so that's what it's all about. It's all about growth. It's all about evolution and evolving and everything like that. And so go to work to learn, not just for the money. The money's going to be there, and always keep in mind that if you do what you love, the money will follow. Don't worry about the money. Money is not even real. You can make money. You can make money up. If you haven't seen it, I got 3 flights for the price of 1. Go watch that video. You can make money so easily if you understand the idea of money. So don't worry. Don't go to work for the money. Go to work to learn. Do what you got to do. Like right now, I'm a salesman, so I'm learning how to sell. I'm learning how to do all that. And so I'm going to keep that all in my back pocket. And then one day you got to invest in yourself. It is what it is. And the person that's employing you should be okay with that. They should want to employ people like that, because you're going to have people that's dedicated, that's motivated, that's in everything else for a purpose. But on this side, you should always keep in mind that an LLC is where you want to be. Keep that in mind, okay? But I thank you guys for watching. I just wanted to say that real quick. I might have talked too long, but hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I'm Isaiah Tripp here with Trip Talk. Until next time.